Welcome to my channel. Today I will show you some modern external gates. So let's start our video. Modern external gates are criticized by contemporary and sleek ethics. Sterile, clean line are a common features of modern gate design. Common materials including steel, aluminum, glass and wood. These gates are often simplicity and functionality. Some modern gates are incorporated sculpted elements for visual interested. Home owner can often customize modern gate design to match their preference. Many modern gates are automated for inconvenience and security. Bifold gate fold in half as they open, saving space and adding a dynamic elements. Sliding gates move horizontal along a track, providing a modern space saving solution. Saving gates open like doors and can feature sleek computational design. Modern houses often have present gate with match design to the main gate. LED lights fixtures may be integrated into the gate for visibility, and gate hardware like hanging and look the are often hidden for view of a clean look. Modern gates may be feature monochromes colors like black, white or gray. Some design use constructing colors to create the visual impact. Transparent or semi-transparent elements maintain a connection with the surrounding. Decorative seam screens with geometric pattern are a modern features. Key entry systems are often discreetly placed for security. Modern gates can be integrated with smart home technology for remote control. Cameras or intercom system are common additional to the modern gates. Some modern gates are constructive, providing a sensor of architectural flair. Materials are chosen for their durability and resistance to outdoor conditions. Mirror or reflective materials can create interesting visual effects. Modular panels system offer flexibility in gate design. Gate handles and grips are often discreetly designed. Vertical design elements can be added high and visual interesting. Some modern gates incorporate eco-friendly materials and finishes. Modern houses external gate design can vary widely based on location and homeowner preference. So not allow all modern houses will incorporate every one of these elements.